Hello and welcome to E-Commerce News Bulletin. It is 21st August 2026 and these are the stories that matter today. Meesho expects over 10 lakh seasonal job opportunities across seller logistics ecosystem. Meesho's logistics platform Valmo, along with its third-party logistics partners, is also expected to increase capacity during the festive period. Seasonal roles are expected across delivery, sortation, delivery center operations and supervisory functions as logistics networks prepare to handle higher shipment volumes. Urban Company jumps 8% as UBS sees Blinkit moment in home services. Shares of Urban Company jumped as much as 8.1% to 157 rupees and 35 paise a piece on the BSE after global brokerage UBS initiated coverage on the home services platform with a buy rating and a target price of 180 rupees. The stock later pared some of its gains to trade 7.32% higher at 156 rupees and 35 paise a piece at 12:35 Indian Standard Time. The company's market capitalization stood at 24,110 crore rupees, about $2.5 billion. UBS said India's online home services market may be approaching its Blinkit moment, indicating that the sector could be entering a phase of accelerated online adoption and growth. Urban Company gets highest price target as UBS initiates coverage with buy rating, check target price, potential upside. UBS initiates coverage on Urban Company with a buy rating and 180 rupees target, implying about 16% upside from current levels, while Morgan Stanley and Kotak Securities remain bullish on the stock. Global retail ad market to hit $200 billion milestone this year, but growth slowing as enshittification looms. The global retail media market continues to grow and evolve, with ad investment projected to surpass the milestone of $200 billion this year and reach $223 billion by 2027, according to the latest data from WARC Media. On course to reach $200.4 billion in 2026, worldwide retail media investment is forecast to grow by 11.5% year-on-year in 2027 to $223.4 billion, according to WARC Media's latest forecasts. By then, retail media will account for 15.2% of total worldwide ad investment. UK reports unexpected deficit of £1.8 billion as John Healey prepares for first budget. July data shows total public debt was £2.98 trillion, or 94% of GDP, up £96 billion on a year-earlier Business Live. Latest updates: the UK government ran a larger than expected £1.8 billion deficit in July, underlining the challenges facing the Chancellor, John Healey, as he draws up his first budget. City economists had expected a shortfall of zero for July, a month when Treasury receipts tend to be swollen by self-assessment income tax payments. Muthoot Manappuram Finance shares jump up to 7% in 2 days as gold crosses 1.6 lakh rupees per 10 grams. With a record $2.7 billion in sales, US Polo Association is scoring points with younger audiences, is celebrating a record year, thanks to its larger store footprint and growing fan base of teens and 20-somethings. Much of its growth came from its biggest market, North America, as well as its fastest-growing market, India. The apparel company is also seeing increased demand among Gen Z women and Gen Alpha boys as it steps up its social media presence and revamps its store fleet in key cities like Miami and New York City. Amazon to expand drone delivery reached sixfold this year. The e-commerce giant will soon launch Prime Air deliveries in Metro Atlanta, Chicago and Cleveland, giving customers another fast shipping option. Zomato pilots food vending machines at workplaces in new attempt at quick delivery. Zomato is piloting food vending machines in Gurugram corporate offices. This new initiative, Zomato Now, aims for rapid food delivery access. Zomato Now comes alongside sister company Blinkit's 10-minute food delivery service Bistro, which operates through its own cloud kitchens. That is all for this bulletin from E-commerce News Bulletin. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.